Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video, I would like to show you the way how to remove stickers on your TikTok application. So basically, stickers on TikTok is features that creating stickers from a random video that you found on your TikTok account. So if you want to remove some of them, it's so simple. Open your TikTok application and please take a look on this button features. There will be 5 sections. If you are staying in the home section, now just need to jump into your profile. The next thing you need to do is just take a look on this line right below your bio here. There will be several parts. So this is for your content collection, this one is for the stickers, this one is for your private content, and the rest is just for repost content, your content, the content that you've been saved and the content that you liked. If you already found the stickers that you want to delete, so you just need to go click it and there will be several options pop up. Go click delete and confirm that you want to delete the stickers, and those stickers will be disappear from your profile. That's it. So that is the way how to remove stickers on a TikTok. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So thank you for watching and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.